Hey Powdersville Elementary School students, this is Mr. Moore here, and I am excited to welcome you to our summer school opportunity. I want to remind you that it begins on Monday, July the 20th. It's Monday through Thursday from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. I am going to be sending out some information to your parents with a lot more specifics, so you'll want to encourage your parents to view that. But I wanted to talk to you specifically today and just give you a heads up about what you might see and experience when you do come into the building for summer school, because there will be a few changes. And I have a great friend that I'm going to bring along to help us with this video. So let me introduce you to Leo the Lion. Leo's going to be here, and Leo's going to help us out as we tell you a little bit more about summer school. All right, students, one of the first things that you need to know is that your parents will be dropping you off for many of you. Now, some of you will be bus riders, and bus riders will take your temperature, will ask you to wear a mask. And so that's the first thing I want to do is just mention to you, you're going to notice a lot of us wearing a mask. So you can see Mr. Moore's here. I've got my Clemson mask on, of course, and you will be wearing your mask as well. And as you come through the car line, we want to let you know that we'll be opening up doors at 8:15 in the morning. We start at 8:30, remember, so at 8:15 you can begin dropping off. Now, someone with a mask, probably Miss Tollison, Mr. Moore, maybe our nurse, Miss Saletti, will ask your parent to pull up to the crosswalk, and then we will come and we'll use our handy dandy thermometer and we'll take your temperature to make sure you're feeling well and you're ready to go for summer school. So I'm going to go head over to Leo, who's just arrived, and we're going to take Leo's temperature before we let Leo get out of the car and head to the cafeteria. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, Leo, let's take your temp. Ah, perfect. All right, come on out. All right, students, after you have had your temperature taken and you are welcomed into the building, and we're going to be so excited to see you, we're going to ask you to come to our cafeteria where you will find your name on a yellow sheet of paper. And that's where you're going to sit until your teacher comes to get you to take you to the classroom. So, all right, Leo, you've been checked out, you're ready to go. Go ahead and find your seat for us. All right, students, now, when your teacher has picked you up from the cafeteria, she's going to take you down to your classroom. We're going to be here on the 300 hallway where the fourth grade classrooms are, which is awesome. And we have got classrooms set up for you. Now, you're going to notice a few differences. First of all, you've still got your mask on. As you enter the room and have a seat, you're going to see that the desks are spread out a little more further apart, and that's for everyone's safety. Now, the cool thing is when you get to sit down, you're going to have a plexiglass shield that is on your desk area, and that's, again, for protection for everybody. So once you sit down and you have your plexiglass shield up, you'll be able to take your mask off. So Leo's going to go ahead and get ready for the day. She's going to take your mask off, going to get ready for instructions from the teacher. And remember, summer school runs from 8:30 to 11:30, so you'll be in your classroom learning and having a great time. All right, students, I hope that information has been helpful for you. We are so excited to have all of you returning for summer school, and we're going to have a great time, and a lot of learning is going to take place. Now, I do need to mention for you and for your parents that dismissal will look a little bit differently too. Students, you'll stay in the classroom, and on your way down, we will call your name, and you'll actually get one of these placards. Parents, we're going to give you one of these for you to display in your vehicle for pickup time. On the way down, students, you'll be handed a bag lunch, so you will receive lunch at 11:30 when we dismiss. And so Leo, it's 11:30. Leo has time at summer school. Leo's parents here, we've called because that parent has this placard in the vehicle. And so Leo, you'll notice that Leo has the mask on. Bye, everybody.